Video marketing is one of the most effective ways your company can tell a story to your target market. Why? Because video helps create an emotional connection between you and whoever may be watching. Not to mention, it's a super easy form of content to consume. But you may already know that. You may have a video marketing strategy outlined and you're just trying to find a way to execute it. We here at Nickel City Graphics would love to help you create high-quality, talking head style video content on a small business budget. We call these videos QuickVids, and they are really easy to create. All you need to do is sign up for a 15-minute studio session at the link below and send us any necessary content prior to your shoot time. Using our teleprompter and 2-camera setup, we will make you look like a pro, regardless of your comfort level in front of a camera. Our next QuickVids day is June 7th, 2019. Use the link below to schedule your time slot and for more information. We look forward to seeing you soon.